So we were talking about the deamination process in the liver, and we said if we have excess proteins in our food, in our body, for example, we ingested a huge amount of proteins and our body does not need um, those excess amino acids, what will happen is after digestion, after the proteins are digested to amino acids, the amino acids will be absorbed by the hepatic portal vein to the liver. And in chapter 7, we mentioned the major roles that happen in the liver, and we call them assimilation. They are either broken down, or they remain unchanged, or they might be converted to other substances. So go back please to chapter 7 and revise the functions of the liver. And you will find in page 155, table 12.1, the major functions of the liver. So let's say we have excess amino acids. What will happen is those amino acids, by the process of deamination, which is the removal of the amino group to form ammonia, this process happens in the liver, and the amino acids will be converted or will be broken down by the process of deamination into ammonia and to carbohydrates. Why carbohydrates? Because simply the amino acids, they contain energy, and it will be wasteful to excrete the extra amino acids just as they are. So we need to take the part containing the energy and turn it to carbohydrates and store it in the liver. If my body needs the amino acids, they will be released back into the circulation and back to the body. Let's say, for example, we want to produce the plasma protein fibrinogen. And fibrinogen needs amino acid. So these amino acids will be released back to the body in the blood. But if I have excess amino acids, by the process of deamination, as we said, it will be converted to ammonia and to carbohydrates. They will be deaminated by the process of deamination, forming ammonia and another part that holds energy, which is here carbohydrates. Now a very important step number 7, the ammonia should be converted into urea, because humans, they excrete urea. Ammonia, urea are called nitrogenous waste, and you will find the definition of nitrogenous waste, page 154. Any waste that contains NH, the nitrogen atom and the hydrogen atoms, mainly nitrogen atoms. So again, the ammonia should be converted to urea in order to be excreted. The urea will be exported to the kidneys, and the kidneys, as we said in the beginning of the video, the kidneys are the main organs that excrete urea. This figure is to remind you about the hepatic portal vein. As we said, the hepatic portal vein is a connection between the small intestine and the liver. Here is a summary of figure 12.3, page 155. Protein in food is taken into the alimentary canal, and they are converted to amino acids, and then they are absorbed by the hepatic portal vein to the liver. And in the liver we have different functions like assimilation. Don't forget to go back to table 12.1 and you will find some functions of the liver. And as we said, if we have excess amino acids, they will be deaminated. Two parts will be formed, ammonia and another part holding the energy, which is carbohydrates. and they will be stored in the liver. And if I need the amino acids, as we said, they will be sent or released, into the circulation again. Here's another summary of how urea is made. And here are some functions of the liver. In the next video, we will talk about the kidneys and the urinary system. So for now, I want you to watch the videos I've uploaded, and don't forget to go back to the notes.